County in northwestern Indiana. Central Lake County in northwestern Indiana. Northern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana until 3:45 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sheldon or near Cleveland, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. After 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expected to level. Damage is likely to move Ebony Shores, Brook, Southport, Lamont, Fair Oaks, Dunn's Bridge, Hebron, Porter, Wheeler, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Burns Harbor, Ogden Dunes, Park, Sheldon, and Iroquois. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy